Alright, so we'll want to see how we can design an Ankara kind of material pattern design. So the first thing we're going to do right now is to draw a circle using the Eclipse tool. And the moment you draw the circle, we're going to be reducing using the circle to create all what we are going to be doing. We're not going to use any other tool. So I just try to duplicate the Eclipse tool using my clipboard, drag and then right click, drag to the level you want it, then you right click. That's how I do that. So I can see as I'm dragging it, I'm reducing the size, and then the next thing I'm going to do is right click. Okay, I missed out that one, so I'm going to recreate it again, do it again, drag it, reduce it the size, then I right click. Okay, so that's how to duplicate by reducing the size. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw another circle using this already made circle that I have right there. So I pull it up and add it, just place it over the little circle that I've created. So the little circle serves as our center point, and I highlight everything together and I press the C button on the keyboard to align to center. So everything is all in the center. So I duplicate the circle again and place it by the second side, as in the right hand side of the circle, the little circle, and also on the other side. Then that is it. I have been able to create. This is all I just want to do. This is the little design that I want to create. So I'm going to highlight everything together by dragging over all together, and I'm going to select the combine key. So I click on the combine tool and it's selected. You can see it is not yet active, so I'm going to go back again, click on it. It's active now, and I choose the color that I want. I don't want any outline, so I'm going to right click on no outline. That's it. Then I am going to so now I want to place it, duplicate this shape that you see now, and so that I can get exactly what I want. So I reduce the size and go to my rectangle tool and I drag and drag over, and then select the tool, the shape, that pattern that I just created. I'm going to select it, and the next thing I'm going to do is to start duplicating it, and you can make use of Ctrl D, that is to duplicate, or you can just simply click and drag it out and then right click. So that's what I just did. So you can do this continuously. So whichever way you want to do in selecting, in creating your duplicate, you can go ahead. So right now I'm using the Ctrl D. That's why you're seeing it dropping the way you're seeing it drop. So I have to drop all that I want to drop, and then align it. Then I highlight again and pull out with my left button, then right click to duplicate the shape. So I'm going to be doing this continuously, so you can see that while this is going on. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I would advise you to do that right now. Just hit the subscribe button so that you can be able to get more of my tutorial. In this channel I teach you how to do things right from CorelDRAW, whatever it is that is something you can be able to do with your computer, you understand. So I teach you how to do them. So you can see, if you can also look at the top part, you will see one of my tutorial that I also talk about pattern design. So I'll be doing more pattern design. I'll be showing you how some pattern design. Also, I am going to be creating. Some persons in the last video was asking how do they print, how are they going to be printing this design if they finish the creation. So I'm going to be showing you a video. I'm going to be creating another video that will be explaining how to create this design. So I'm almost through with my setup. As you can see, I'm just doing some finishing talk. You can see there's nothing much. This is one of the simplest design you can ever do. So we're going to be seeing some complex design. Delete this or delete the other, and you know. So I just want to fix in some of this pattern shape into some of my part. You can see. So it's not necessarily the same color that I create. You can actually create this color. I've not really seen this actual design in any of the Ankara that I've seen, or pattern design clothes that I've seen. So anybody can decide to create this and go and print. You understand? So this is just for learner's sake. You can use this for your businesses. So especially those of us who are like thinking of how do I go about doing this. So I'm going to be doing, and like I said, I'll show you how to print this on the clothes and the material so that you can start making sales. So say that is that. So I'm through. I'm going to power clip everything that I've arranged to the square shape or the rectangle shape that I have created before now. So I go straight and I select power clip into container, and that's it. Bam. So you can see I've just power clipped it into the container. I'm going to edit that a little to make some adjustments. So I right click and I select edit power clip. So I click and I edit the power clip. I just highlight simply, just make some adjustment like I said. Okay, push it to so it's okay by me. Then I click and I say, so that is it. And I click, and that is what we're looking at. We're looking at our pattern design. You can see how easy it is to create this kind of in Nigeria we call it wrapper. You understand? So you can see this. So you can even decide to change the color. You understand? You can play around with colors, and apart from the pattern, you can just add color. You can see how black is beautiful on this. You can see the red metal, red. You can see yellow. You can see. You can even check out for dark green. From the color palette, there are all more colors around there. Blue, making it look somehow cool. Green, and oh wow, you can see how blue suits it. You can see. So just go ahead and try something like this. You can repeat the same pattern design, and let me know what you get to say by the comment box. I will see you in the next tutorial.